Alright, I'm just doing some maintenance today, sharpening up all my chains. And this saw, I put the new carb on it. I still stuck with an X-Torque because I already had everything for an X-Torque on it. And it is still running very lean. So I think it needs a crank seal or maybe a new base gasket. But since I'm waiting for parts to come in, I was just gonna put the muffler and put it on the hot saw so I could use this for the rest of the week and not piss off everybody around me. But yeah, chains are coming out pretty nice. That's one I just finished. Alright, well, got another one done. I did rakers on this one. I didn't do the rakers on this chain because this was my first time sharpening it. I usually touch the rakers after every other sharpen on the tooth. And then after every two, then I drop the rakers down. And no, I do not use a raker gauge. I just send it. Depending on how big the tooth is. If it's really small and shorter than the other ones, I'll do 3-4 swipes. And if they're a little longer, the same, I'll do 2 or 3. So, yeah, it seems to work for me so far. Alright, I'm going to do a little time lapse of sharpening a 24-inch bar. There. That's the last one for the 372 sharpened. Now, when you do your rakers, always, come on, always have it at a slant. Like, you see how it's curved with it? Usually people will just go always have a lip. Always have it curved. Well, I got it all buttoned up, and I also sharpened the Johnson Red chain, which is pretty much on its last sharpen. Like, there's not much teeth left. Also took the rakers down, and yeah, I am ready for tomorrow.